Welcome to our giant peanut butter factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how peanuts are transformed into smooth, creamy peanut butter, from raw peanuts to perfectly sealed jars.
Carefully controlled roasting develops the rich aroma, flavor, and color that make peanut butter delicious. High-speed grinding transforms roasted peanuts into the creamy texture loved by millions.
Every batch is tested to ensure the perfect balance of taste, texture, and quality.
Advanced automation ensures every jar is perfectly sealed and ready for customers. Millions of jars leave the factory every year to supply supermarkets around the world.
And that's how peanut butter is made, from raw peanuts to creamy jars, enjoyed by families around the world. Thanks for watching.